Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a comment to an article on the Breaking News application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then you should select an article to which you would like to add a comment. You can select an article from either this For You section or from the trending section. So all you have to do is clicking on the particular article that you are interested in, and then as you can see down below there is this comment box, so tap on it and then you are ready to type in your comment. Then all you have to do is clicking on this send button in the right side of the screen in order to publish your comment. So as you can see, you have added your comment, so you can delete it if you want to by clicking on this three dots icon in the right side of the screen or the right side of your comment, and then click on the delete comment option, which is the first one actually, thereby deleting your comment. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.